Before you begin, be sure that your car is parked safely and turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter for the 2.5-liter 2022 Hyundai Tucson is very easy to replace, likely the easiest of any car. No tools are required and it can take less than a minute. To remove the old filter, you can locate the main filter box at the driver's side front of the engine bay just behind the radiator. To open, simply lift the handle at the side of the box and open the door. Inside, you'll see a cartridge-style filter that can be removed by turning 2 tabs to release it and slide it out. It really is that simple. To replace the filter, just reverse the order of removal, taking care to make sure that you seated it properly and that all of the latches close easily and the door closes tightly. See, it's so easy and fast it barely justified this video, but either way, you're done.